Uy. Han.
Committee timeout. Final score 9-6. Number 0, pass to number 15, pass to number 91 at the 3. No good rebound by number 13, pass to jersey number 24. Number 24 dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 13. Number 13, pass to number 14. Shot, use it. Connect for 2. Number 15 at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to jersey number 14. Pass to number 13. Number 13 nagbababa ng bola. Looking for his teammate. Number 13. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15 back to number 13. Number 13. Oh my. 4 seconds to shoot. Outside. Rosy ball. Inbound by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 91. Pass to number 27. Foul. Who's foul? Number 8. Number 8. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot para kay number 27. Connect. Second shot. Connect again. Substitution. Palit mo ka. Number 13. Nagdi-dribble ng bola. Pass to number 18. Shot. No good. Outside. Rosy ball. Good. Sub. Inbound by jersey number 91. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Looking for his teammate. Number 15. Pass to jersey number 4. Back to number 15. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Shot. No good again. Rebound niya pa rin. Shot. Connect for 2. Plus sa basket. Number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot para kay number 0. Connect. Number 15, pass to jersey number 13, back to number 15, pass to number 18, pass to number 12, number 12, pass to number 13, to number 20 at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 20. Number 91, back to number 4 at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 13. To number 15, to number 20, Tano, to number 18, Esguera, to number 12. At the 3, 1, 2, 3 para kay number 12. Now, jersey number 4, looking for his teammate. Pass to number 0, Marcos. Outside, same ball. Number 0, Marcos. Marcos, using his body. Steal by jersey number 18. Number 18, ang bilis mo. Akbong Rusi, steal by number 4. Number 4. Pass to jersey number. Hindi ko alam. Connect for 2. Number 13. Looking for his teammate. Harassing by number 4. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 15, pass to number 13. Number 13. To number 20, Tano at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 20. Number 13, pass to number 4 at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 91, connect for 2. Number 18. Pass break, pass number 12. No good, rebound niya pa rin. No good again, rebound by na. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 4, pass to number 15. Perimeter shot, no good again. Pushing foul, number 0, Marcos. Number 0, first personal foul, first team foul. It's now number 13, pass to number 18, Esguera. To number 15, Artizo. To number 18, Esguera at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 0, Marcos. Pass to number 30. 33, Cagaral. Steal by number 13. Pass to number 20, Tano. Tano. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Sipag mo. Number 12. Who's foul rep? number 15. First personal foul, second team foul. Walang kalaban. Number 15. Pass to number 13, Chan. To number 18, Esguera at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming from jersey number 18. Jay. It's now number 0. Number 0. Still by number 18 to number 13. Chan. Number 13. Pass to number 12. Shot at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 33. Kagaral. Tumira ng 3 points. No good. Outside. Substitution rep. Number 16 in. Number 13 out. Inbound by jersey number 20, Tano. Pass to jersey number 16, Munoz. Take time. Number 18, pass to number 12. Number 12, using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 0, pass to number 4. Pass break, pass to number 33, Kagaral. At the 3. 1, 2, 3. Para kay number 33, Kagaral. Number 16, Munoz. Pass to number 20, Tano. Pass to number 18 at the 3. Bang! 1, 2, 3. Para kay number 18. It's now number 4. Payong-ayong. Almost lucid. Still, pass by number 18. Still again by number 15. Pass to jersey number 4. Payong-ayong. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Ano atol rep? No count. Ang score na favor of ML Kagers. 10 point. Back to number 33, Kagaral at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Shot. Connect for 2 by number 0. Number 15. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Almost lucid. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 16. Munoz. Fake news. Pass to number 12. To number 18. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 0, Marcos. Foul by number 12. Number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound by number 4, Payong-ayong. Pass to number 15, Blackberry. To number 0. Number 0. Blocking foul. Number 18. Number 18, first personal foul, second team foul. Inbound by number 4, pass to jersey number 33, almost lucid, pass to number 0. Number 0 using his body. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 18, Esguera. Esguera, binababa ang bola. Esguera. Almost lucid, outside. Rusi ball. Inbound by number 15. Pass to number 4, Payong-ayong. Pass to number outside. ML Kagers ball. Substitution. Number 20 in, number 18 out. It's now number 16, Munoz. Pass to number 20, Tano. To number 14. Looking for his teammate. Number 14. To number 20. To number 16, Munoz. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 20. At the 3. 1, 2, 3. Para kay number 20. It's now number 15, Blackberry. Jump ball. ML Kagers ball. Inbound by number 8, pass to number 20, Tano. To number 16, Munoz. looking for his teammate to number 14. Number 14 to number 12. Number 12, spin move. Steal by number 33, Cagaral. Pass to number 15, Blackberry to number 0. Steal again to number 8. To number 16, Munoz. Munoz to number 12. Steal to number 4. 2v1 situation. Number 4 again. Shot. Connect for 2. Timeout. ML Kagers. Ang score natin, 31-22 in favor of ML Kagers. 9-point lead. Back to the ball game. ML Kagers. Ay. Ito Rose. Ito Rose. Rose. It's now number 20, Tano. Pass to number 14, Malanya. Number 14. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Perito to number 20, Tano. Fake shot. No good. Rebound by number. To number 33, Cagaral. Cagaral fake. Spin move. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 16, Munoz. Take time. Number 16, Munoz. Number 16. Harassing by number 4. Number 16, looking for his teammate. Number 16, using the glass, no good. Number 4, Payong-ayong. To number 33, Cagaral. To number 8, shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 24, to number 14. At the 3, no good. Rebound niya pa rin. Fake. At the 3, no good again. Rebound by number 0, Marcos. Pass to number 4, Payong-ayong. Number 4 to number 27. Number 27 to number 4. To number 33, Cagaral. To number 27, shot. Connect for 2. Number 14. Number 14. To number 24, Perito. Number 24. Almost lose it. To number 20, Tano. At the 3. 1, 2, 3. Para kay number 20, Tano. Number 0, Marcos. To number 33, Cagaral. To number 4, Payong-ayong. Number 4. To number 33, Cagaral. To number 8, Medina. Perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Inbound by number 8 to number 14, Malanya. To number 24. To number 8, Manto. To number 20. Still by number 8, Medina. Pass to number 33, Cagala. Number 18. Number 16, Munoz. To number 14. To number 10. To number 10, Perito. Using his body, using the glass. No good. Rebound niya pa rin. To number 16, Munoz. 7 seconds to shoot. Munoz shot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 27, first personal foul, first team foul. Per shot para kay Munoz. Connect. Second shot para kay Munoz, number 16. Connect again. 2 for 2. Substitution. Number 15 in, number 8 out. Now, number 4, Payong-Ayong. Number 4, pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 0. Number 0, using his body. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 15 to number 16, Munoz. Munoz. Outside. Rusi ball. Number 4, Payong-Ayong. Dribbling the ball. Payong-Ayong. To number 33, Kagaralat. The 3. No good. Rebound by number 16, Munoz. To number 10. To number 20, Tano. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 14, using his body, using the glass. No good. Foul. Foul by number 4. Number 4, first personal foul, second team foul. First shot para kay number 14. No good. Second shot. No good again. It's now number 4, Payong-Ayong. Payong-Ayong dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 33 to number 0. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 15 to number 10. Number 10 to number 16. Munoz. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 10 to number 16. Munoz. Fake. Shot. Connect for 2. Now number 33, Kagaral. Kagaral using the glass. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Number 24 to number 20 to number 24 using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry to number 11. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by number 18 to number 16. Benedicto. To number 18, Esguerra. To number 13, Chan. To number 15 to number 10, Perito at the 3. No good. Rebound by number... Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 11. Number 11. First personal foul. Third team foul. It's now number 18, Esguerra. Fake. Perimeter shot. No good. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 18 at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Blackberry dribbling the ball. Pass to number 41. Easy 2 points by number 41. Pass break pass. Steal by number 15. Blackberry. Blackberry dribbling the ball. Blackberry. Foul plus sa basket. Who's foul rep? Number 13. Jan. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot para kay number 15, Blackberry. No good. Rebound by number 15, Artiso. To number 13, Chan. Number 13 to number 24, Perito at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Harassing by number 16. Pass to jersey number 91, Ongoko. To number 0, Marcus. Marcus. To number 22 to number 0, Marcus. Back to number 22. To number 91. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 15 to number 24 to number 16, Benedicto. To number 13, Chan. To number 24 at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 24. It's now number 15. Still by number 15 to number 24 to number 13, Chan. Chan to number 18, Esguera to number 16, Benedicto to number 15, Artiso. Easy 2 points by number 15. It's now number 15 again, Blackberry. Blackberry to number 0, using the glass, connect for 2. Inbound by number 18, Esguera to number 15, Artiso. To number 13, Chan. Gumamit ng oras to number 18, Esguera. Esguera dribbling the ball. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number. Outside. Outside. Rusi ball. Number 0, Marcos. To number 15, Blackberry. Back to number 0, Marcos. Marcos. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0, using his body. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 15. Number 15, first personal foul. 2 shot para kay number 0. First shot, papasok kaya? No good. Second shot. No good again. End of the third quarter. Pito ka mamaya sa ligaya. Walang kalaban? Pipito ka mamaya sa ligaya. Gusto mo kasi tawag.
Kaya. Kaya. Sa'yo ba yan? Oo. Doon may tubig ko sa loob.
Back to the ball game. Number 91 to number 15, Blackberry. Pass to number 8, Medina to number 18, Marasigan at the 3. No good rebound by number 20, Tano to number 13, Chan. It's now number 13, Chan, looking for his teammate, setting the play. Number 13, Chan. Black. 6 seconds shot clock, 6 seconds to shoot. Inbound by jersey number 24. To number 12, Mancha. To number 13, Chan. To number 20, Tano. No good rebound by number 15. Connect for 2. It's now number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry. Pass to number 91. Number 91, back to number 15, Blackberry at the 3. No good rebound by number 24 to number 20, Chan. Number 20 to number 12. Number 12, Mancha. Almost lose it, Black. Number 12 again. Shot. Traveling violation. Rosy ball. Inbound play to number 15 to number 11, Marasigan. Back to number 15, Blackberry to number 22 to number 8 to number 11, Paul. Who's Paul rep? Number 12. Number 12, second personal foul, first team foul. Second shot para kay number 11. First shot. Connect. Second shot. No good. 1 out of 2. It's now number 20, Tano. To number 13, Chan. Setting the play. Chan. To number 15, Artiso. To number 24, Estrada, perimeter shot. Connect. Number 8, to number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry, ang bilis mo. Takbong Rusi. To number 22, perimeter shot. No good. Foul. It's now number 22 to number 91 to rebound by number 15 to number 24. Pass break pass to number 20. Number 20 fake. Number 20 to number 12. Number 12 fake. Still by number 91 to number 15 Blackberry. 2v1 situation. Shot no good. Rebound by number 13 Chan. Technical. Number 12, technical and sportsmanlike behavior. Substitution. Counted Mar. Yung free throw. It's now number 13, Chan. To number 15, Artiso. To number... Hindi ko makita. Rebound by number 20. To number 13, Chan. Back to number 10. To number 24. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Plus sa basket. Post foul rep. Number 15. Number 15, third personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para kay number 24. No good. It's now number 8 to number 91, Nongoko. To number 15, Blackberry. To number 0, Marcus. Using his body. Almost lose it to number 91 to number 8, perimeter shot. 3 seconds, violation, Nemel Kager's ball. It's now number 13, Chan, dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Number 13, Chan. Number 13 to number 10, Perito to number 20. Shot, air ball. Rebound by number 15, Blackberry. Number 15, ang bilis mo, takbong Rusi. Shot, connect for 2. Ang score natin, 51-42, 9-point lead, MLK.
Yung sa kabila sa bara, si Mana.
It's now number 13, Chan,
Si Mana, yung sa kabila.
setting the play. Number 13, Chan,
Hindi, yung sa may tabi ng laundry.
to number 20, Tano. To number 24,
Si Mana, hanapin
Estrada.
mo. Pag wala, magkano yan?
Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, Tano.
Hello, magkano yan?
To number 15 to number 24. 8 seconds shot clock, 8 seconds to shoot. To number 13, not the 3, no good. Rebound by number 24 to number 20, Tano. Fake. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 0, pass to number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry, number 15, setting the play to number 0. Number 0 using his body, using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 24, Estrada to number 13, Chan. Number 13 dribbling the ball, setting the play. Number 13 to number 15, Artiso to number 24. Perito to number 20, Tano. Outside, Rusi ball. Substitution. Number 4 in. Number 91 out. Number 14 in. Number 13 out. Number 15 to number 4. Back to number 15, Blackberry. To number 33, Kagaral. Pass to number 4 at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay Payong Ayong. It's now number 16, Munoz. To number 14. Easy 2 points para kay number 14. 10-point lead. It's now number 15, Blackberry. Using the glass, connect for 2. It's now number 16, Munoz. Munoz perimeter shot. Connect for 2. It's now number 33, Kagaral to number 15, Blackberry, setting the play. To number 0, Marcus. Using his body, using the glass. No good. Rebound by number 15, Artiso to number 16, Munoz. Number 16, Munoz. Number 16, ang bilis mo. To number 10, Perito. To number 24, Estrada. Estrada. Fake news. It's now number 33, Kagaral. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 15, pass to number 16, pass break, pass to number 24. Number 24, easy, 2 points. It's now jersey number 4 to number 33, Kagaral, to number 4, Payong Ayong. To number 22, at the 3, air ball. Outside, ML Kagers ball. Substitution. Number 45 in, number 22 out. Inbound by number 15 to number 16, Munoz. Munoz? Munoz. Number 16 to number 10, Perito Pig. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 0, Marcos, to number 4, Payong Ayong. Payong Ayong, 3v2 situation. To number 15, Blackberry using the glass. Easy 2 points. Number 14, Malanya. Tumira ng 3, air ball. Outside, Rosie ball. Substitution. Number 18 in, number 10 out. Number 45, Blanquesa, to number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry dribbling the ball, setting the play. Blackberry at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 15, Blackberry. 59-54, 5-point lead in ML Kagers. It's now number 16, Munoz, setting the play. Looking for his teammate, pass to number 18, Esguerra, to number 24, Estrada. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 0, Marcos, to number 15, Blackberry. Still by number 16, Munoz. Perimeter, ay pass na lang pala to number 15, Artiso. Rebound by number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry almost lose it. To number 33, Kagaral. To number 4, shot. Connect for 2. Inbound play by number 18 to number 16, Munoz. Munoz. To number 15, Artiso. Artiso, shot. Basket. Number 15. Number 15, fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate, second team foul. Timeout, ML Kagers. Number 15, warning for graduate. Mamaya pag gumraduate ka, pwede kang sabitan ng medal. Ang score natin ay 61-56. Lamang na lang ng 5 ang ML Kagers. 15 Nartiso, papasok kaya o hindi? Pony shot, connect. Substitution. Number 18, number 15 out. Inbound play by number 8, pass to number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry. Blackberry setting the play, looking for his teammate. To number 8, Medina. To number 45, Coach June. To number 33, back to number 15, Blackberry. Fake at the 3, no good. Rebound by number. Outside, same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 4, Payong Ayong at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 4, Payong Ayong. It's now number 18, Esguerra. Setting the play to number 16, Munoz, to number 24, Estrada. Number 24, shot, no good. Rebound by number 4, Payong Ayong. Payong Ayong to number 15, Blackberry. Sidestepping move. Foul by number. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 8. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot para kay number 15, Blackberry. Per shot. Connect. Second shot. Papasok kaya? Connect again. 2 for 2 para kay number 15, Blackberry. It's now number 16, Munoz. To number 18, Esguera. To number 16, Munoz at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay Munoz. Number 15 to number 45, Blanquesa. Almost lose it, almost lose it. Jump ball. Yemen Kagers ball.
Ano ba yan yung
Score lang yung kuya, hindi naman 2 points lang eh. 2 points lang. Hindi naman 3 lang.
Rep. 2 points lang ba yun? 3 points. It's now number 16, Munoz. Almost lose it at the 3 again. Back to back. 3 points para kay number 16, Munoz. Naginit. It's now number 15, Blackberry. Still by number 14. Number 14 nagmamadali. To number 16 again. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 33, Kagaral. Spin move. Pass to number 4, Payong Ngayong. Pass to number 15. No good. Follow up by number 15. Connect for 2. It's now number 18, Esguera. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 8. Manto to number 24, Estrada. Paul Plaza basket. Number 8. Dito kasi. Number 8, first personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus shot para kay number 24, Estrada. No good. Rebound by number 8 to number 45. Number 15 to number 0, Marcus. To number 15, Blackberry looking for his teammate to number 0, Marcos at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay Marcos, number 0. It's now number 16, Munoz setting the play. Number 16, Munoz to number, di ko makita. To number 14, to number 16, Munoz, to number 18, Esguera, fake shot. No good. Rebound by number 91 to number 15, Blackberry. Ang bilis mo, takbong Rusi. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 4, Payong Ayong at the 3. Foul by number 16, Munoz. First personal foul, first team foul. Three shot para kay number 4, Payong Ayong. First shot, papasok kaya. First shot, connect. Second shot. Connect again. Third shot. Connect again. 3 out of 3. It's now number 16, Munoz. To number 18, Esguera at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay number 18, Esguera. It's now number 0, Marcus. Marcus dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 15, back to number 0. Number 0, using his body. Spin move. Shot, no good. Rebound, pass to number 16 to number 18, Esguera. Esguera to number 16, Munoz. At the 3, 1, 2, 3 para kay Munoz. It's now number 15, Blackberry to number 11. Sidestepping move to number 91. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 26, Munoz. Setting the play. Number 16, Munoz. To number 24, Estrada. To number 14. To number 3 seconds to shoot. Number 18, Esguera. 1, 2, 3. Para kay number 18, Esguera. It's now number 15, Blackberry. Number 15, dribbling the double. Traveling violation, Emil Kager's ball. It's now number 18, Esguera. Using the free. Number 18. To number 16, to number spin up shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 15, Blackberry. Blackberry harassing by number 16. Blackberry. Black. Rebound by number 16, Munoz. Number 16, Munoz. Munoz to number 18, Esguera. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 4, Payong-Ayong. Payong-Ayong.
Lakad mo!
4v3 situation to number 15, Blackberry at the 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 91. Easy, 2 points.
Dead ball.
It's now number 24, Estrada. Shot, no good. Rebound by number 8, Paul. Who's Paul rep? Number 11. Number 11, second personal foul, first team foul. Timeout, ML Kagers. For Estrada. To number 14, to number 15, Narciso. To number 16, Munoz. Number 16, Munoz. Setting the play. 3 seconds to shoot. Number 4, Payong-Ayong. To number 15, Blackberry. To number 8, Medina. To number 0, foul by number 15, Artiso. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot para kay Marcus. First shot, papasok kaya? No good. Second shot, connect. Substitution, number 20 in, number 14 out. It's now number 16, Munoz. Munoz. Setting the play. Number 16, looking for his teammate. To number 10, Perito shot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 4. Payong-Ayong, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot para kay number 10, Perito. First shot, connect. Second shot. Connect again, 2 for 2 para kay number 10, Perito. Number 15, Blackberry. Setting the play, looking for his teammate. To number 0, Marcus. Marcus using his body. Spin move. Pass to number 4 at the 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number. Pass to number 16 to number 20. Tano to number 10, Perito. Number 10 to number 15, Artiso. To number 16, Munoz. To number 15, Artiso using his body block. Outside. Save ball. 8 second shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 18, Esquera, shot. Ay, number 20 pala. Tano. Number 27, second personal foul, third team foul. First shot para kay Tano. Connect. Second shot. Papasok na yan. Second shot. Connect again. 2 for 2 para kay number 20, Tano. It's now number 15, Blackberry. To number 4, Payong-Ayong. To number 0. Using his body, pass to number 4 at the 3. No good rebound by number 15, Narciso. To number 16, Munoz. To number 10, Perito. Perito. Spin move shot. Easy 2 points para kay number 10, Perito. It's now number 15, Blackberry. To number 0. Number 0, spin move. Almost lose it. Outside, ML Kegers ball. Substitution. Number 33 in. Number 15 out. Inbound play by number 15 to number 16. Munoz. It's now Munoz. To number 10, Perito at the 3. 1. 2, 3 para kay dos lang pala, dos. It's now number 4. To number 33, Cagaral. Shot using the glass, no good. To number 0. Foul. Number 15, Narciso. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Timeout, Rusi.